Racing just is started with a beautiful lady. Break quickly to start. Running by the rail is Jade's Treasure. Moving upon the outside is Contoro Moher. Big Secret in the middle portion. Then followed now by Show the Whip. Running by the rail is White Chocolate, and going along for the first turn, we have Jade's Treasure takes command by about 2 lengths. Contodo Mujer is right behind in second. Running by the rail, third is Beautiful Lady. Corazon comes next. White Chocolate, Big Secret, Show the Whip, then followed by Fireball. Moving upon the outside now is Staneno. Running by the rail, Prince Lau, while number 1, Yes Kitty, is racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Jade's Treasure. Corazon moving up down on the inside. Contodo Mujer is on the outside. Beautiful Lady comes next. Big Secret, White Chocolate moving up now on the outside. Show the Whip. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Corazon this time by about 3 lengths. And in second is Contodo Mujer. And in third comes Jade's Treasure with about 150 meters more to run. We have Corazon by about 3 lengths over Contodo Mujer on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's going to be Corazon, Contodo Mujer, Jade's Treasure, Beautiful Lady, Staneno, Show the Whip.
Para po dito sa ating race number 1, entry number 3, Panginoon to, third favorite for third favorite. Numero 3, nirendahan ni E.G. Guerra. Masusegundo lang yung outstanding favorite, 7A Contodo Mujer. 5, Jade's Treasure. Papasok yung isa pang 7, tas 2 stand in O. That's 3, 7, 5, 2, unofficial placing. Nabitin tayo Pentafecta Super 6.